Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so now is a great time to subscribe so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. So something we do here every month is I unbox my Sips By subscription box. And Sips By is awesome. It's a tea subscription box. Every single month they send me this completely customized box based on my tastes. So you go online, you fill out a little like profile quiz, and then they will like tailor it to you every month. So you'll put like the things you like, the things you don't like, and they use that information to make a perfect box for you. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have for the month of February. So first and foremost, we have a little postcard with some information about all the teas on it. I don't like to look at this though. I like to go jump right into the box and see for myself what there is, and then we can always get more information from that postcard after. They always give these little guys, which are disposable tea filters. They're just like fill your own tea bag sort of deal. Oh, so I see something familiar right off the bat. This is David's Tea's Organic Peppermint Amore. If you know me, you know I used to work at David's Tea. It was one of my favorite jobs I've ever had. And I know this tea. This is just a straight peppermint tea, a really good straight peppermint tea. So I'm happy to see this. It's organic and the leaves are from Oregon and Washington. So I already know I like these. These will come in handy. And then we have OT's Organic Immunity. I've seen this brand before, but this tea is new to me. It looks like a mate, but I'm not sure. There isn't much information on the packaging, so I will have to actually refer to that, this postcard here. Cool, so it is a mate blend, high caffeine, and it has organic green mate, apple pieces, cacao bean peels, honeybush, roasted mate, cinnamon pieces, cacao pieces, and stevia leaves, all organic. Rich in antioxidants, can boost energy, improve mental focus, and support immune system. We always need things that support our immune system on hand during these weird times. Oh, this one's Chez Lulu, which is a kind of like sub-brand of Sips By, like it's Sips By exclusive. You can only get Chez Lulu teas from Sips By's website. And this is their Eclair a la Vanille, so vanilla Eclair. I think I'm probably gonna try this one on camera today because that sounds really unique and really good. I've never had an Eclair tea. All right, and then we have Sinjel Darjeeling. They must be under the impression that I love straight black teas, but unfortunately I don't. I have so many straight black teas they've sent me that I've never drank, to the point where I'm actually thinking I might do a giveaway of them all, because I have like a little pile at this point. And like, it's not that I hate straight black teas, it's just like I never ever gravitate towards them. I never want that. Sometimes I'll use them in recipes if I'm making like, you know, Thai iced tea or something like that, but I really haven't been like doing tea recipes lately, so I think I'm gonna be giving some away. Let me know if that sounds like something you guys would like. But Davidson's Organic's a great brand. This looks like a really beautiful quality tea. It's just I'm not gonna drink a straight black tea. So I think I should probably go on my Sips By profile and make sure everything is up to date, because there must be something on there that's indicating that that's what I like, because I feel like every month I get a straight black tea, or not every month, but I've received a lot of them. So anyway, I want to try this Chez Lulu Eclair a la Vanille. Oh, it smells beautiful. So got my little setup here. I'm gonna scoop the tea leaves right into my infuser. Pour in our hot water, but not too hot, because this is a green tea. We don't want to burn those leaves and end up with bitter tea. And now I can set this to the side and we can do all of our research about Chez Lulu and the Eclair a la Vanille. So it says, Bienvenue, Chez Lulu, a secret tea patisserie found only by those who wander the winding streets of Paris without a map. Inside, a case full of sparkling vanilla eclairs, all in one perfect straight line. This vanilla green tea is light and sweet, just like the finest creme pâtissière. C'est parfait, which means it's perfect. I took French in high school, so not to brag or anything, but I'd say I'm pretty good at pronouncing these words. It smells really wonderful, and the tea leaves are like more long and flat. So I think it's more like a Chinese green tea. Smells amazing. There was a vanilla green tea by Adagio that I used to really love. So I kind of hope it's a little bit like that, but also it reminds me of David's Tea's Toasted Walnut a little in the smell. I want to go on the website. I know there's not going to be much information about Chez Lulu because these brands that are Sips by exclusive are more like kind of a shell of a brand. Like there isn't much to them. Like usually there's like 5 teas or so like in the line, and it's just like Sips by like an in-brand brand, I guess, if that makes sense. Oh wow, okay, so I just typed in Google Chez Lulu, and 1, 2, 3, the 4th thing down is my review of the mint macaron. So that's pretty cool to see myself on Google. But here is the Eclair à la Vanille. Oh, I love the picture, look at that. So it switches back and forth from like the tea leaves in a teacup to the steeped tea in a teacup. And I love like a teacup aesthetic, like that French afternoon tea kind of vibe. There's like a video. This is cool, look at that. So it shows the tea leaves, then it shows them making the tea in this kind of like pour over situation. That's pretty cool. The steeped leaves, pouring it into a teacup. Time to enjoy. I love that. So the ingredients are green tea, vanilla flavor, tea flowers. So is that like the flowers of the Camellia sinensis? Because that's pretty cool. I wonder why you don't see that more in tea, if that is what it's referring to. And sunflower petals, so a lot of good stuff. I want to go ahead and remove the infuser because it is a green tea, super delicate. We can't oversteep it or else it'll get too bitter, it'll get like burnt. We can't have that for a first impression. And it looks ready anyway. Look at that gorgeous green tea color. God, it's like golden, like it's like a green toned gold. I love the color of green tea. Green tea is my absolute favorite. I like oolongs too, but there's something so special about green tea. It just has like such a place in my heart. So let's go ahead and try this. Oh, I love it. That's just like lovely, honestly. So I wasn't sure I'd get like an Eclair vibe, you know? But I do get that sort of custardy vanilla thing. I'm not sure I've ever had a vanilla Eclair because I'm a chocolate girl. I love chocolate. So if I've ever had the choice, because my dad is a chocolate person as well. So when he picks up pastries, I don't think I've ever seen a vanilla Eclair. But even if I did have the choice between the two, I probably would pick a chocolate Eclair. But when it comes to tea, I don't want a chocolate Eclair tea. I want this vanilla Eclair tea. This is right up my alley. It's seriously so perfect because you do get that like custardy vibe, like that Eclair fancy pastry vibe, but also you taste the green tea. It's just so like light, but that vanilla and that like creamy taste, like it doesn't have a creamy texture. Like it's pretty much completely transparent. Usually if it has like that creamy, more full-bodied texture, you're gonna get like a more opaque cup. But with this, it definitely doesn't have like the texture. It has the taste, and I like that so much better. Like I'm glad they didn't throw in like white chocolate or anything like that. Like it has such a good mouthfeel. It just feels like clean, like a normal green tea, but then it has that like light sweetness and that vanilla vibe. It's like the most light, like cloud of an eclair sort of vibe. Like, you know when you bite into a really good pastry and it's just like completely, like it's just so light and like cloud-like? It feels like that. But a tea. Like it's not like a heavy custard, like a Boston cream custard. Like it has this light, airy vanilla custard feel. I love it. I wish this was a perfume. I wish I could wear this. Like, so good. This is just great. Like it's dessert-like without being anything over the top. Like I'd say even that Adagio vanilla green tea that I tried was a bit like heavier than this. Like this is incredibly delicate and light, just like a French pastry shop is. Like when you walk into a French pastry shop, you see all these gorgeous, like perfect pastries. Like this is that feeling in a cup. It's just so light and you still taste the tea. Like you taste the green tea, but it like plays so well on the vanilla. It's just like the perfect pairing. It's just so wonderful. I could definitely see this being part of my collection. I do find it kind of similar to David's Tea's Toasted Walnut, but even more like delicate and light. So this is an absolute winner. Overall, I'm not, I finished that so fast, jeez. I'm not really like obsessed with this box. There's two straight teas. There's a straight peppermint and there's the plain black tea, which I'm not crazy about the plain black teas, but I love this one. So this almost makes up for the whole thing. But I also have really high hopes for the Organic Immunity by Otis. So this one looks really cool. It's got like a nice blend of mate and there's cinnamon. So I know I'm gonna probably like this one. And I do love to see David's Tea. They're one of my very favorite tea brands ever. But anyway, I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy, and I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.